Hello, it's great to be with you, and no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. I'm Derek Ray, getting ready to bring you all the action, accompanied by my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And the general feeling is we should be in for a spellbinding occasion. It's Inter, and they face Venezia.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Ronaldo. Foul there, free kick awarded. Laurent Blanc. Now, options are plenty. But nothing comes of it. The referee wasn't going to let that go. Kevin De Bruyne. Dani Olmo. Running with the ball confidently. Ronaldo.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
Back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Toure. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Xavi. And here's Ronaldo. Donyell Malen. Well, the attack looks promising. Can they square the game? Oh, marvellous goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant.
And the referee blows for a foul. Nothing wrong with the idea on the free kick, but the goalkeeper has it. Well, they might be trailing, but hope in the form of a corner. Shaping to shoot. No two ways about it. A wild, wild attempt.
Well, it's so hard to get this right, and he just couldn't adjust his body quickly enough.
Manuel Akanji. Virgil van Dijk. Carlos Alberto has it. The electronic board has been held in the air, and we're going to have a minimum of 4 added minutes. Well, when all was said and done, Stuart, he wasn't a million miles away.
No, he wasn't, because he generates so much power from that sort of distance. His technique is brilliant.
A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time. So back underway here into the second half. Ronaldo. He has teammates around him. This could level it. Keeper getting the touch. And eventually, goalkeeper's ball.
Well, you can sense the relief amongst his teammates. But what a first save that was.
Timber. Xavi. George Best. And Inter doing well to win the ball back. Fairly easy for the referee to spot that deflection. So now a throw-in. Here it is now, a substitution. Now with Xavi. And on to Toure. Kout. De Bruyne. Rodrigo. Kevin De Bruyne. Intercepted effortlessly. Best. Ronaldo. And into the last 20 minutes. Successfully cut out. Ronaldo. Rodrigo. It might still be problematic. So threatening, but the danger averted. Down by a goal. This could be the final opportunity to snatch something. Ronaldo, it could be up for grabs. Took a nick on the way through, so a corner here. Well, it's the late show, and they are level again. So back underway, they've levelled it at 1-1 here.
The referee has indicated
In terms of added time, a minimum of 1 minute. And that's going to be it for this game as the referee brings the match to an end. Well, it was a keenly contested battle, as we always suspected.